Hello and welcome to first tutorial in our new series on Java programming. In this tutorial you will learn how to download and install Java Development Kit JDK. So please open a web browser and at the Google web page type 3 letters JDK, enter, and click on the first link Java SE Downloads at the Oracle website. Now you see various versions of Java, but we are only concerned on Java Standard Edition. This is all we need, Java SE. So scroll down a bit and you will see two versions of Java SE 7, JDK and JRE. JRE is Java Runtime Environment and JDK is Java Development Kit. We need JDK because in addition to JRE, it also contains the compiler. So please click download. And now at this web page, select Accept License Agreement. You see various versions for Linux, Mac, Solaris and Windows. I will be concerned about Windows versions. 32-bit users need x86 version and most of us have 64 version of Windows, so we need this x64 version. Please click this link and download it to the disk. Okay, I will rewind this not to waste your time. Okay, now my download is now completed. Please double click on it to run this file. Okay, and now we have to install the JDK. Click next. Now we will change the default location of the JDK because it will be more convenient for us. So please click change and just delete the program files words. Okay, so we will install JDK to see Java JDK 1.7. This is 1.7 and it corresponds to Java Development Kit 7. So please remember that there are two conventions. Java 7 is the same like Java 1.7. It's okay. Now click next. I will rewind it a bit. Okay, now the program will install Java Runtime Environment. So it can be installed in the default location program proposes. So in this stage please click next. Okay, now the JRE is also installed, so please click close here. Now the installer can propose you to install JavaFX, so please also accept it. We will not use it now, but you can have it installed, it's no problem. So if it will propose you to install JavaFX, accept it and you will be fine. Now we have to test if our installation is successful, if we can use Java compiler. So now please click on Start in Windows and type here cmd for the command prompt. And now please type javac, which means Java compiler. Now you probably will have something like the javac is not recognized command and something like that, because the system cannot find javac. We have to manually inform it where the compiler is. Please do not be worried about those words because I am using Polish version of Windows, but in your Windows you will be fine and you will understand everything. So now we have to click on the Start in the Windows. Now in the computer, click right click, please. Right click and click Properties. Now Advanced System Settings. Yes. And here Environmental Variables. And now please add the path variable, but not in here, not in System Settings. Do not modify this path, but add path in the user pool. So click New, and here type path, and here we will type the path to our installed JDK. So now we have to open Windows just Explorer, just Files Explorer, okay, and please go to the directory Java where we installed our JDK. So C Java JDK 1.7 and bin. Please select this directory C Java JDK 1.7 etc. bin. In this bin directory, right click any of those files, no matter which, and go to Properties. Here what we are interested in is the localization. So select all this localization, right click and copy, and we just have copied this string. Okay, now we go back to this path here and just paste it. So we need to add the directory CJava JDK 1.7 bin to the path. Now click OK, and it's very important, click here OK and OK. Do not click Cancel. You have to click OK everywhere. Now if we type Java here, we get nothing because we have to restart this window. So just close it and open again. Type CMD, type javac, enter, and you get many things here. Okay, there are many options. So just type javac minus version to get less verbose output, javac minus version, and it will give you the version of the compiler, which is 1.7, which corresponds to the version 7 of the compiler. So we are now set up and we are ready to compile our first Java program. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.